Okay. So hopefully this works. I had a few issues with the upstream, just constantly dropping frames, so I've been testing it lately. So it'll probably be just a quick short stream today. And we're just going to continue on from where we were. So from memory, we just had it so it would output key presses and control keys and enter. Control M and enter is still the same, but that doesn't matter. Excuse me. Alright, Q to exit. Just clear this. And in this one, we are going to add a timeout for read and do some basic error handling and see how we go from there. Alright, so error handling is pretty easy. So, not error handling, terminal read input, be raw, C-CC. This is an array apparently. So what we can do, we'll just check out this. So with CC. We'll see what it actually does. Input. No. No. Oh, my throat. I had to clear it. Where is it? Huh. Doesn't come up. That's a bit weird. Non-cardinal, yeah, that's what we're in. Oh, there it is. Control characters, CC. Okay. Let's see. Can we see where that is? Look for V. This is interesting. Doesn't come up. Heaven forbid if you want to know what each one does. I think this one is the minimum time. And this one's the maximum time. Read time. There's 1. So that will wait a second. Okay, so vmin is the minimum number of bytes needed for read to return. And set it to 0 and it will instantly return as soon as there's at least 1 byte. and V time is the amount of time to wait before read returns. So, and that's in tenths of a second, so 100 milliseconds. All right, and read will return 0 if there's nothing to read. So we'll just make a ball running true. It will go. Oh, whoa. Running. We'll put all this in. Where does that go to? There. We'll put all this in there. Offset a little bit. Get that. Put it there. We need this line. There. Don't need that. And then here. We'll check the input. Equals Q, so we can actually exit. Then we'll break out of the, oh no, we'll just set running loop to false. And then we'll jump out. So that should be fine. We'll just double check. Da-da-da-da. Oh. It's not getting flushed. We'll just test something here quickly. Four bytes, right. That should be right. Doesn't work. That definitely doesn't work. Shit. It doesn't matter. Alright. Just trying to write the memory address, I think. Doesn't seem right. It just wants to keep looping. It shouldn't. Because we deal with that in the next one. Alright, so that still works. So now we'll do a die. So we'll do die. This will print a error message when we tell it to. Yeah, exit code 1 I'll do. Alright, now I know about PRR. Basically it looks at error no, which is the error number returned, and prints out an error message with it, I do believe, and the error message you want it to print, which is the S we're passing in. We'll do some error handling here. Alright, yep. This would be if equals -1. So we'll check if we can restore the console. Store TR terminal. And this one is also, well, this would be a die I don't know how to spell retrieve. Failed to get. Current terminal settings. I'll put some full stops in, just because. Down. This we'll just check to make sure we can actually enter raw mode. Raw mode. That should be fine. Check read. So if read so there's been an error in read, and just to make sure we haven't hit again, EA. So basically it's saying I need more data, so it's not really an error, and if it does that, die read failed. I wonder if, let's do this. let's try that. That's interesting. Does not equal. Uh-oh, I've broken it. Alright. Just get rid of that for now. I'm sure we'll deal with that later. Alright. So it's basically done. Control Q to quit. Alright, so this is a define. I'm not sure how it works. The bitwise value return binary C. This is actually interesting. So basically it's just mirroring how the control key works. So it's like, oh hey, your control key, bro. I'm picking up what you're putting down. So we'll throw this define in. So yeah, I understand. Key, and then we'll. Macros aren't my strongest thing in the world, I will admit. And we've got bitwise operator to this. Alright. So now if input equals control key. Q. All right. Okay. We'll just. How have we been going for? All right. Dropped a few frames. It's not too bad. Been going for about 21 minutes. All right. We'll just get this input stuff done, and I think that will be it. And then the rest of it is doing some more, like using escape sequences to modify the screen, and I think I'll leave that till later because it's going to take a long time. Yeah, there's a lot there. So I think that would be a good place to finish. Gives me an easy way to find out where we're at. So we will do a read key. That's the number of bytes read. This is the character, we'll call it input, just for clear reading. Now while we're waiting, do it and read equals read. I'm not going to write all that again, I'll just copy paste this. Keep going while it doesn't equal 1. And then if and read equals, so we're checking for error. Each time we read, we're going to go check to make sure it doesn't equal 1. If it doesn't equal 1, we're going to check for error, and if it errors out, we're going to kill it. Error no. Oh, does not equal. Again, we'll kill it. Die. Read failed. Now we need to do a return input. That will return the character. I do believe. And then we want to key press. Alright, so we will call read key here. And then we will do a it's going to have more in it, I do believe. Switch, input, case, control key, Q, wrong one, that one. Exit gracefully. And then break. Get rid of, I'm just going to do this for now. We can get rid of that. This running. Also, we will get rid of this here for now too. And that will be process key press. All right. All right. Let's test out a refresh. Refresh screen. Oh. Let's just try it. So it's a std out file number, and then we have the escape sequence. 1B bracket 2J, capital J, and that is 4 apparently. Alright, so the X1B is the escape sequence in decimal, which is 27. So J tells the screen to clear, and then the 2 tells it to do the whole screen. Whereas 1 would just do up to where the cursor is, and 0 would go from the cursor to the end. This goes in here, refresh screen. I'll just don't hate me, I'm beautiful. And it's not going to return the cursor to where it belongs, but it will clear the screen. Alright, let's just, hang on, get rid of that, we don't need that. I've got an error here somewhere. Warning, no statement return. Warning, no return statement function to 70. Oh. There we go. It works. Huzzah! Haha. Yes. So next we will reposition the cursor, which we can do pretty easy. So we'll go. I know I said I wasn't going to do this, but let's just do it anyway, just because we're here. It's pretty easy. X1B. I have had issues with these escape sequences in Ubuntu, but I wasn't using read and write for that. I was using printf or std cout from the C++ standard library, and it just caused issues. So I'm hoping doing it with the right, one, will be faster, and two, it won't cause all them stupid bloody errors to happen. No. Alright. Now let's just say we got something to come up. Let's see if this works. What? Culture. Oh, it's got to be a string. Let's try that. Here we go. Doesn't seem to be working. Not very well. Why is that? Huh. Let's do this. Let's try that again. Yeah, it just keeps wanting to go down. That's not what I want. Huh. Ooh, definitely not what I wanted. Maybe I've put this in the wrong spot. Let's try that. It's going to be something simple, I do believe. No? Nope. Definitely fucking isn't. Let's do this. Don't need any of that hubbub. Something funky going on here. Gotta work out what it is. No, don't do that. Clear. Yeah, well, I don't know. I really don't know. I'm going to have to do a little bit of investigation because this is not how it's meant to be working. Alright, I think I'm going to stop it there for today. And deal with this later. Because, yeah, that doesn't seem to be wanting to work. Just having a quick look here. Oh, I'm going to be dropping. No. Erase line. Erase in display. That's the one we've got. Erase all the display. All lines are erased. Changed to single width. The cursor does not move. Something funny really going on with that. I don't think it works correctly in Cygwin. But it should be working. This is why I'm doing this, just so I can learn how to do this kind of shit. Because I find it interesting. Refresh. Void. Now we can have a look at the... You signed out another tab? No, I didn't. Why are you lying to me? Oh, excuse me. It's not complete yet. That would do it. Alright, I'm going to call it there for today. That was longer than I wanted to go for anyway. So, thank you for watching. Hopefully I'll have this on my YouTube eventually. And see where I go from there. And looking forward to the next one. Bye.